How to manage who can message you on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can message you on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click this 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and now just go down and click here you will find who can message me. Just click on it and you can make it for no one or friends and users you follow, and friends users you follow, and followers, and then you can make it for everyone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.